One of the areas that our classrooms are lacking is storage because they weren't designed for the way that we're using them in this world. I've been in the same classroom for 31 years and nothing has changed. I have the same carpeting that was there 31 years ago. So I think it would benefit if it was just a cleaner slate with good storage, effective things for the technology we expect, more outlets, more plugs, things that we don't even think about, but we have extension cords safely put all over the classroom so that students can access what they need. Having more central spaces to have gatherings for the students. We only have 2 large locations, the auditorium and the gymnasium. Both are acoustically terrible if you're getting kids together. They're old. The auditorium is not designed to be acoustically pleasant. So when we get students together with presenters, it's not a great environment. So I think if we had some sort of dedicated space, that would be beneficial to them.
Yeah, I think a big thing is like after the merging of the schools, we haven't really, like there's a lot of green stuff here and like a lot of blue and white stuff over at the elementary building. And I think at the new school, just like having another like sense of unity with like the Boca Valley colors and stuff, and then just like working on facilities and stuff, I think is big. Like having an auditorium for like putting on a show or concerts and stuff, it'd be very nice.
So, I'm the librarian, and we have technology limitations, which don't just impact the library. So this morning, the 6th grade classroom, the whole class needed to leave and come to the library because they weren't able to access the Wi-Fi for their computer-based testing, which our testing assessments are now all computer-based. So that happened today and yesterday. So the technology piece is big. Again, the safety and security, it's sometimes unnerving and unsettling to be in an old facility and think about those things.